Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 8th of August 2025, Nifty Index opened on a negative note around 24,460, with bears dominating the trend throughout the first half of the session, dragging the index down to 24,350. Sustained selling pressure was evident as bears remained in control for most part of the day. However, in a dramatic turnaround during the last hour, bulls staged a strong comeback, lifting the index by over 250 points from the day's low. This sharp intraday rebound brought much-needed relief and helped the index close well off its lows. On the daily chart, Nifty has formed a bullish candle with long lower shadow, reflecting buying interest at the lower levels. Follow-through buying in the next session will be crucial to confirm this reversal attempt. India VIX was down by around 2.3% to 11.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.06. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,200 to 25,200, while immediate range is in between 24,400 to 24,900. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 5,214 crores, while DIIs for buyers were 10,760 crores. FII's index long-short ratio slightly increased to 8.6%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest now if Nifty manages to cross and hold above 24,600, strength could be seen towards 24,750 and 24,900. Else weakness could be seen towards 24,350. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,555 for a bounce towards 56,000, while the hold below the same could see weakness towards 55,000 levels. Finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Asian Paint, Delivery, JSW Steel, TVS Motor, Jindal Steel and Lupin, while weakness could be seen in BHAL, PNB Housing, K Fintech, PFC, PI Industries and Solar Industries. Wish you a super day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.